So on today's show, I'm Devon and this is
Emani.
And we are making lasagna. What are we making it with? We got our Kroger Mexican cheese. We got a Kobe, which you call it the what cheese? Purple cheese. we got the Italian blend or the
Green cheese.
Green cheese.
And we got yellow cheese.
Damn. What do we have right here? We got the meats and the spices, and we got the Italian spices and the sauces and everything. We'll be right back. Actual noodles. We spread them out. We want everybody to get an even share of what? Everything, right?
We got.
They don't have to be all the way done because they're going to cook a little bit in the oven.
Straight to the oven.
Straight to the oven, and when it get out the oven, it's going straight wet.